Alright guys, so we've got the engine running, we've got everything tightened up. We've got it sort of set in an idle right now. We're going to mess with some of the settings, but I want to show you a couple things with regards to the what you're going to see when you're charging, and then with pressures and all that kind of stuff. So here I've got my meter. We're going to turn it to voltage. You're going to want to make sure you're on DC voltage. This is a 12-volt battery. So we're going to take our leads. We're going to put them on there. We've got about 14.4 volts. That means that the alternator is charging. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here into the engine. And as you can see, here's our voltmeter. We're right there, right past 14. Our temperature is working. Let's see if I can get you in there. We're at 180 right now, so we've warmed up. Our fuel gauge is working. We have a fuel tank of gas. We've got the sending unit all hooked up. Our oil pressure, we're currently running at 40 psi on the oil pump pressure. We've got our choke set, we've got our throttle set, so we're gonna have to do a few adjustments here. But everything seems to be working fine, and we've got it idling right now. We wanted to see the fuel. So we have this nylon tube that we have just so we can make sure we had the fuel going. So everything's kind of going, it's clicking. We're letting everything run through. We've got water. We're gonna end up doing an engine flush on this. We've got oil, the oil pressure's up. Here's our fuel pump. You can see that the fuel pump has a little bit of fuel. It's not going to fill up. So all in all, pretty happy with this. You can see right here, we're getting pressure, fuel pressure. So there we go, there we have it. CJ2A, it's running, it's idling. Thanks for watching, guys.